Here is an answer from those same hearings. On page 70 of the Senate hearings, already cited above, the following startling and dramatic revelation is presented. In it, Dr. Merck, who was Director of Bioweapons Development at the time, reports, in general terms, these are some of the more important accomplishments of his biological research of the program over the past year. And he names a number, but here's one of them. He says, important accomplishment number 4. We have learned production and isolation for the first time of a crystalline bacterial toxin. So here we come to our old friend Brucella, a very, very simple bacterium, and it carries a toxin. Dr. Merck says that their researchers have learned how to take that toxin out of the bacteria in a crystalline form. And in a crystalline form, it could be diffused or spread to targets by air, insects, food, or blood and fluid transmission. Production and isolation for the first time of a crystalline bacterial toxin. What was this scientific discovery to mean for humanity? Well, I shall demonstrate in this paper it was to mean that the toxin for the Brucella bacterium carries, and which can cause the protein range of illnesses noted above by Colmenero and Shai-Ching Lo, could be isolated from its original source in the bacteria in a crystalline form and communicated to targeted and incidental victims alike, and cause them to suffer from the degenerative diseases with which we are concerned in this conference. These victims, who were targeted in tests conducted at home and abroad, and those targeted in war, such as the Korea conflict, and those who were infected by the pathogen by a variety of routes as outlined below. And especially, it could mean the millions of humans, principally in third world countries, who have been targeted by the United States for elimination by means of cofactors based upon the immune-suppressing bacterial toxin of Brucella. Brucellosis put the immune system down. It put it down by way of whatever they call the toxin, the poison that it passed out to cells. And with the immune system down, different things could enter into the cells that had never entered before, including retroviruses.